Do you feel stuck as a parent with multiple decisions, multiple tasks to do that you don't even take action? Do you feel overwhelmed that you're not even moving as a parent? The truth is that you can learn to do things better as a parent. Remember, you can get wisdom from God. Remember what the Bible said in James 1 verse 5. If any of you lack wisdom, ask God for wisdom. Now, in my upcoming book called Rooted and Rewired, you're going to learn how to be that parent that can act with wisdom. Because when you're rooted to your source, when you're reconnected and rewired to your source, you start to be that parent that is confident. Every decision you make is clear. Every decision you make is purposeful. You're not uncertain about what you do. You're filled with faith and you carry yourself with confidence. Now, click on the link attached to this video to get a copy of my upcoming book called Rooted and Rewired and start your journey of becoming. Thank you, and my name is Chimode Kulu. Bye.